Good morning everybody, and welcome to another episode of Gardener Gone Wild. Now these are the little Addylings, and boy have they grown. They are now just over a month old and loving a bit of independence. So I quickly put up this little pen for them today, since they are now old enough and we don't have any swooping predators. Well, not around this area, and the magpies, they're not bothered. They're actually quite good. They keep away the hawks and that. And the gardener quickly put together this house for them yesterday. Still got a few things to do, like put a proper roof on, but this pallet will do. And boy, do these little monsters love their new little home. But this is just until we get a proper enclosure, which is due to be delivered any day, in which the house will be joined to it as well. So they're just loving their little home, and it's so good for them to be out having a bit more space, because they really outgrew the other enclosure. So yeah, this should be great for them. Unfortunately, it's a grotty day and we're going to be having lots of rain later, and apparently lots of wind. So we'll make it all nice and cozy for these little guys. And of course Sugar has to come and investigate, don't you, Shug? Hey, Shuggy? Yes, you do. But look at those happy little faces down there. Happy faces! Hey, happies! Oh, gross. They're monkeys. So we have some very happy ducklings who really enjoy their new house. So very happy with that. Hey baby! Yay! So that's all for today. Thought you would enjoy watching the Addylings in their new house. They're so happy. They are too big to keep inside now. We've got nothing big enough to keep them in because they're just growing, which is lovely. And oh god, they're being naughty or something. So yeah, tune in next time for more ducky goodness, gardening goodness, or even wildy ranger goodness. So yeah, stay wild. So stay wild about nature, stay wild about duckies, stay wild about gardening, stay wild about life. And duckies are your friends. They are not food, so do not eat them. Until next time, bye bye.